Hello and welcome. Today we're going to be looking at the SPTA Cordless Mini Car Polisher. So what we're going to do, we're going to have a look at what you get in the actual packaging itself. Comes in its own case, quite sturdy. So in the case you get the unit itself. Has an attached head on it which is a 1.2. You also get another attachment. This one's a 2-inch attachment, so you get a 1.2 inch attachment and a 2-inch attachment. You get pads to go along with the attachments that are supplied with the machine. You get the charger for the batteries, and you also get 2 batteries. One that's already attached and a spare one. Charging, hasn't got its own charging dock or anything like that, and you can't charge it, so you would have to remove it to charge it, and a charging port is actually on the battery itself. So you plug that in to the plug, and then we'll have a look, but I'm sure that this should show you that it's actually charging with different colours for charging and non-charging and fully charged. We'll have a look at that in a little while. So what I'll do, I'll attach that back on. What we're going to do, we're going to weigh the unit itself. We'll weigh unit on its own and with a battery, see what kind of weight it is, but it feels quite nicely balanced. We'll have a look at the weight now. So we've got the scales, we've got to measure it in grams. We've got the unit itself. Let's see. Unit itself is coming at 628 grams. Don't know how well that's coming out. And then if we attach the battery, so it's coming at 800 grams. So it's not a heavy unit at all. Light, feels quite sturdy. It's got nice grip at areas, so feels nice in the hand. On off switches here. Digital display. So we've got setting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it has 7 settings. Quite instant. Switch it back off like that. Just before we do go out and test it, when we do get the opportunity, I'll just go through the pads. So you get different array. You get wall pads, hybrid pads, microfiber pads. Also you get the foam pads. So you get an array of them, so you should be able to get all your jobs done. So you get it in the 2-inch size, backing plate size, and a 1.2 inch backing plate size. Same again. You get, we'll actually go through them. Fibres don't come out, that's quite a good sign. Just get one of these, each of these ones out for the moment. Have a look at them. Got nice firm pad. Yeah. So you've got a hard, medium, and a softer pad. So you've got all the ranges that you'd possibly need really to finish off an area. All we need to do now is actually get it on a panel and test it. Alright, so we'll come outside. Because of the weather, I'm going to try it on a quick little test panel I've got and stuff. So we'll have a little look at the condition. Don't know how clear you can see that. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to tape it off and then do a little quick pass on it, do it in one edit hopefully, Right, so get this. Do a small little square section. There's quite a bit of a deep scratch there and stuff, so I'm not expecting to get that on a quick little pass that we're doing. Plus, it's not really meant for this kind of panel or this kind of testing, but at the moment, this is all I have because of the weather situation. Put on the pad, put a couple of blobs. Primed it, put a couple of blobs on there. Switch it on. Move the compound around. Start the speeds a little bit. Feels comfortable in the hand, one hand. Feels steady. Not applying no pressure, it's only a small machine. Come back down it. Switch it off. Put a little cloth. Rub it down. Get the light on. That's actually made a bigger difference than I thought for such a short little amount. So don't know how well that's showing up on there. I think it's actually got like 90% out. A little bit more time will do it. But as I said, it's more for bumper areas, interior areas on the car, everything like that. But this is the only panel I've had to test it on, and it has impressed. Just the rotary in action. I've had to do a quick flip as my memory card got corrupted, so I will do more videos in the future, but that is it for the moment. We polished the bike. It's really hard to show anything, but it has. The bike has come out absolutely gorgeous. Brings out the pop in it and everything. Okay, so I haven't now tested it. Quite impressed with it, especially at the price point it's at. Quite happy with the outcome. I am looking forward to using it on smaller areas, and if you'd like to see anything else, let me know in the comments below. Thank you for watching.